It's not a picture, Megan. That was for her outro.
Yeah,
you broke it.
You're supposed to go in.
So much editing.
Okay, scratch this one.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, goodbye. It's still recording.
These are bloopers.
No, go away. No, stop. Stop.
No. I'm gonna shoot a few bloopers right now. How are we doing? How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing great. Have you seen this book?
No, I haven't heard the book before.
You've never heard this book before?
No.
It'll change your life. Oh, it's so good.
I never read it, and I never seen the movie.
Oh my god, it's about this guy who is cheating on his wife with another chick.
No shit.
And then the wife cheats on him with a man she met like 5 years ago. And I'm like, what the fuck, guys?
Hey, is this good?
But then both their lovers die, so of course the wife and the husband have to be together. If they're...
Is this good?
Yeah, it's good. I mean, since their lovers died, they just have to be together, of course. And then it's all through like the wife's cousin. He's the one who's like seeing everything happening and telling the story.
Wow, tell me more.
And then, okay, so Tom's lover, her husband is like suspicious of him cheating. And so he kills Gatsby, who kills Gatsby's, who is the wife's lover, and so he dies. So and then Myrtle dies, and it's like their lovers die. I'm like, what the fuck? This is crazy. You would love this, like.
You know what?
Stop.
I might look more into it. It's
That's
just me talking
great.
to Megan.
Guys, go read this book and watch movies.